Good morning. In this video, I will brief you about a major report on knowledge management and knowledge management processes. As a part of this document, in the requirements, you will be allocated a case study, and by reading the case study, you need to address how to you need to address some of the important stages that we use in knowledge management practices. For example, these are the five important stages of knowledge management. When we come across a knowledge management problem, we try to apply these five stages, and we will be creating a appropriate and more effective knowledge management framework for the organization. Okay, any organization. If you see in this document, a case study is given to you that is all about how information system in pharmaceutical company work when they are delivering drugs, like they are delivering what we call medicines. We call like see drug development process. Okay, after completing the drug development process, as a part of it, we will be using three different stages. One is first, after providing you the drug, lessons will be collected on that, like where individuals whoever used the drug, they might be providing what kind of issues they came across, and all those lessons will be several individuals that are submitting about their experiences will be stored in lessons, and these lessons will be stored in warehouses. So whenever we need some kind of information about the particular lesson or particular case, we can access them. That is the main aspect of this information system. Okay, so here CAFE will be used by the individuals who participated in the drug development program, and they will be sharing their experiences. Okay, so CAFE will be used for the sharing experiences, and where lessons will be storing all these individual experiences, and warehouse will be populated with the lessons learned. Okay, this is a simple structure. Okay, so for this structure, it was observed that there is no proper communication, or there is no proper implementation of the information system, where these major issues are experienced by the organizations, like those instead for fostering organization innovation, lessons became ritualized and reinforcement of routines. More means like it is become a just practice, but not it is not providing any innovation to the organization. Next terms, warehouse could not be adapted to the specific context of each group. It was thus deemed to be irrelevant to day-to-day operational processes. So maybe there are mapping is not good. So usually, you see, when we are mapping things, uh, mapping means maybe a relational. If you take a relational database, how it happens. When a student stores some information, it should be go into student table, and it will be related to the if student paid fees. Student paid fees should be stored in payments table, and it should be mapped with the student table, such that whenever we want to access whether the student paid the fees or not, we should be accessing it. In that way, there is no proper mapping or other things in this doc in this maybe the proper the information system that they are using, shayad. Okay, because of that they are experiencing all these problems. See, you just keep all these problems in your mind, and try to understand what is the knowledge management, how it happens. Okay, then come to the first section of the document. Stage one, advocate and learn. Okay, next, develop strategy. See, in this one, you will be briefing about the case study and what kind of the problems it have, what are the expectations of the organizations. Based on that, you try to develop a strategy. Then we design and launch knowledge initiatives, and expand support initiatives. Then initialize knowledge management. For example, maybe they want to create a proper mapping. So usually proper maps are very important. How you can handle this one using the knowledge mapping or knowledge management strategy, that is more important. So your document contains five important stages and five important side headings. First one is advocate and learn, where you write about the business case, and what are the problems that are experienced by the organization. Then you will suggest what kind of strategies you want to implement, and how you are going to ensure that all these three processes are properly configured for the organization. Then we try to create a design, and we will be explaining like what kind of initiatives will be created for that. If next one is kind support initiatives, you just cross check one knowledge management framework, you will understand what to write. Okay, so this is how we go step by step, and the document size is approximately 2000 words. 1500 to 2000 word is enough. All right. So plan your work and fix it. All right. If you need any additional support related document, I will share these weekly presentations on the topic. Okay, you just use them if you they might be helpful to you. Okay, right. Thank you.